Hi everyone, welcome to this short tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Instagram. If you turn on a notification off for an account on Instagram, then you can get notifications of posts, stories and other things. Now to turn the notifications off, you need to first open up the account and then tap on the bell icon on the top right hand of the screen. Here you can see a few notifications. Now if yours is turned on like mine is turned on for posts, you can toggle it off for all of the settings, and as soon as you do that, you will no longer get notifications from this particular account. You can again do the same for all of the accounts that you have turned on the notification off. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.